Hello everybody, how you doing? As I promised, I'm going to make the video for our 3 blades helicopter. Okay, so you can have it on video, you can see it also on YouTube. Then I will tell you where's the channel. Okay, so I think it's super cool. So let's start. Okay, just let me move the camera a little bit so we have everything here. Okay, right. What you will need: tape or glue. You know, the stick one. Braid, that's the name. So you can use. You need this one or the glue. You need scissors, and you need a ruler and something to make lines. In this case, it's going to be a marker so you can see it, but it can be a pen, a pencil, whatever you have at hand. Okay, so let's start. Let's put this thing aside, and the first thing is that we are going to hold our paper on the long side. Okay, this is the long side and this is the shorter part. Okay, the shorter side. We are going to always work in this form. Okay, when we are making the drawings or the lines, more or less. So first we are going to fold it in half. I'm using recycled paper. I will hope you can use it too. It's a good thing for nature. So fold it in half, and again we are going to fold it in half. Okay, very good. And then we are going to unfold it. So we are going to have 4 sections. Okay, so each of these sections will be an helicopter. Okay, so you have more than one. So we are only going to use one of the sections for this part, and remember the other ones is for the you want to make more helicopters. So I'm going to choose this one, and here comes the scissors. So we are going to cut it. You can color it, you can have some logos there if you wish, maybe some competition. Use your imagination, guys. I know you can do a lot of things with this incredible helicopter. Okay, so we are here again, as I'm telling you, this is the longer part and this is the shorter part. Okay, now we are going to make some divisions. Here comes the ruler, and we are using the centimeters. Okay, so we are going to divide this thing in 3 parts of 3 centimeters each. Okay, this is 3 centimeters, and 3 centimeters, and last but not least 3 more centimeters. Okay, so I'm going to draw them here. Remember, 3 centimeters, 3 centimeters, and 3 centimeters. We are doing the same thing in the other side. 3 centimeters, 3 centimeters, and last but not least 3 centimeters. Okay, let me check them. Okay, 3 here, 3 centimeters. Okay, and we are going to join the lines. 1, 2. You can pause the video if I'm a little going too fast. You can also remember that the good thing about the video thing is that you can pause it. Okay, good, nice. Okay, we have this little part. That part we are going to cut it. We don't need this part. Okay, again, here comes the scissors, and we are going to cut this thing off. Good. So this one goes out. We are having to make 2 more lines here. Again, remember, long side, the shorter side. Okay, we grab our rulers, and now we are going to make a line at 7 centimeters. Here, 7, and the other one at 9. Okay, this is 7. And this is 9 centimeters. Okay, we're doing the same in the other line. Okay, 7 centimeters and 9 centimeters. Okay, and we are going to join the lines right there. 2. Very good. So we have this kind of tic-tac-toe. Okay, these are going to be the main body of the helicopter. This one going to work as supports for the blades. Okay, so these are the blades and these are the body of their helicopter. Okay, here comes the tricky part. Okay, which lines are we going to cut? Okay, so let me grab another color here. I'm going to use red. I'm going to use red so I can show you which lines we are going to cut. Okay, so the lines that we need to cut are these ones. Okay, let me put a circle here. Okay, that one, we are going to cut that one. We are going to cut this one too. Okay, and we are going to cut this line. Okay, and the other line. Okay, these lines we are going to cut them. Okay, just remember that we have this space and the lines that are cut, that we are going to cut, they are not touching itself. Okay, so this one we cut that one with this one. Okay, not here. Okay, right here, not this one. Okay, this one and this one, this one and this one. Okay, so let me show you to the lamp there, the camera, sorry, and we are going to cut them. Okay, so again, the scissors right here until the middle, the other one too until middle, and then the other two right to the middle. So we have like a room or something. Okay, so after we have the cut, yes, we're working again. Remember, long side, short side. We are going to fold the little rectangles to the middle. Okay, 1 and 2. Good. Excellent. And now there's the second tricky part. Okay, I'm going to turn this thing so you can see it. We are going to make a triangle. Okay, but we are going to make it with the three things, but we are going to only put glue here, or the tape. We are going to join only this, the triangle that is formed with this, with these squares, with these rectangles. Okay, look. So I fold it right here. Yeah, maybe I can do it in the other side so you can see it better. That's right. See, this is the lines, and this one, this only part is that we are going to join them. Okay, not the blades, not all the blades, only this little part that is in the squares. Okay, let me do it with my tape. I'm going to just take a little bit of tape here and put it right here. You see, just for the square there. Fold it the other side, so we make like this little teepee, this little triangle. Okay, and put it there. Okay, very good. So we have this kind of triangle, and only is tape in this part. Okay. Let me lose the thing here. I don't need it. So the blades are free to fold them. Okay. Very good. So we are going to fold the blades now until the line. Okay, till the line. We fold it. Very good. There, you see. Right there. We fold it. We fold the other one. And the third one. Okay, and we have now the blades, but they need to be a little tilt. Okay, so we're going to grab our helicopter, grab the first one. By the way, yes, this is the school. Yes, this is cool. That's super cool. Yeah, that's right. That's the school. Oh, I was so proud. Okay, so you are going to hold it, and you are going to twist it just a little. Turn, hold the second one, twist it just a little, and the last one. Hold it, twist it just a little. So now you can have this. You see that the blades are a little tilt, so that will give spinning thing, okay? And you will need to have more weight. Okay, so you can fold this one so you have a little weight there. You can fold it. And if you need more weight, you make another fold, okay? Let me do it twice. So I have this double folding, okay? So first, again, I folded one. Here, I folded one. And I then fold it again twice. Or maybe if you have a clip there, you can put it there so you can have enough weight, okay? And there you are. There you go. You have your super awesome helicopter at home and play with physics, you know, because the air comes through the toy, it will start spinning and it will descend very slowly, okay? So you can drop it from the third floor, second floor, or just toss it away, okay? Like this. Yes. So very cool. I hope you see it. Let me put the camera right there. And 1, 2, 3. Oh my god, yeah. I don't know. Again. Oh, well, it works. Well, thank you so much. I hope you like it. Your helicopter there. Doing this in your school. Yes, that one. Young school. See you. Have a great time. Bye bye. Love you.